Seoul population is 10 million.
I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do.
Seoul is the capital of South Korea and the largest city in South Korea.
So call my time, but you weren't really
The population of South Korea is 50 million people.
thought I never knew.